In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your language or the language on your CapCut app on your PC. So it's very much simple and easy. So a lot of people ask this question online. That's why I decided to make a tutorial on this. So to change your language on your CapCut, you just need to move to your menu here, and you can see your settings here. Just tap on that here. Good. So on here you can see draft, edit, performance, and then we move to our language here. So here we can choose our preferred language here. So on here I speak English, so I have English here. But then if you're a Filipino, if you speak French, if you speak Dutch or any language, you just choose the language and then you proceed to save it, and you're good to go. So if you save it, the language on your account is going to change fully. So this is for people that have already opened CapCut. Let me close it and let me show you guys how you can do that too as well. So let's say you just launched it. Let me show you guys how to do the same. So tap on this here, this is the setting. Now tap on this once again and you can see it brings us to this same pop-up. So now let's move to this side, which is language, and we can choose any of the languages here and then we save it. And yes, that's it. So that's the two different ways in which you can change your language on your CapCut app on your PC. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If you are new here, try to give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.